At Avanti West Coast, our livery is really important to us. As a new brand, it's really hard for customers to know exactly who we are and what we stand for. And our livery is our greatest brand asset. It's the one thing that every single customer sees.
Avanti chose Rebrand solutions because Aura had the most competitive prices, and also they came up with the best solution to deliver this project, which wasn't an easy task because ultimately we have a high number of vehicles, 574 in total, 56 trains, 35 of which are 11-car Pendolinos. We thought about several different ways of completing this project, and ultimately what we decided was that we would wrap the cab vehicles first and then move on to the intermediate vehicles as a second part. Aura worked fantastically with this because it was a change to the original contract agreement, and ultimately they worked with us excellently, delivered it, which was brilliant.
Well, the project's gone really well. We've had a project manager running the contract, Craig Illingworth, who oversaw all the production, application, and worked very closely with Alstom Transportation to ensure that the application was completed correctly. Most of the trains were full wraps, some were partial wraps. The main drive cars were full wraps by using all the full non-PVC film that 3M supplied, IJ 480, which is the Envision range, along with the 8588G anti-graffiti protection. We worked very hard with Avanti Direct at the very beginning of the contract, but we also understood they had to produce a livery that was strong for their clients, being the passengers, but also sustainability was a huge factor to them by using the correct film, the 3M Envision film, but also with the graffiti protection again, which was a non-PVC film, which is manufactured from partially recycled products. Water-based inks were also used so that we could match exactly what the customer required on sustainability. This then led to COP26 train, which was a full complete 480 with the 8588G sustainability products from 3M, which the customer then could promote to their paying passengers on the train.
So we have two special trains as part of our set of livery. We've got our Pride train and we've got our COP26 train. And it's our livery at Avanti West Coast is so important to us. It's our greatest brand asset and it's our one thing that every single customer sees. So for us, it's so important that we have our brand out there on all of our trains. However, there are some things that are more important than us, like Pride and COP26. So we wanted to make sure that we supported the LGBTQ+ community through our Pride livery and also showed our support towards preventing climate change through our climate change livery.
Aura were fantastic to partner with on this project. The quality of the product is excellent. They worked with our brand team. They ensured that all of our brand values were incorporated into the design, and I think they look fantastic.
So Avanti West Coast has so many exciting things coming up. We've got our new uniform, we've got our refurbished Pendolinos, and we've got our new Hitachi trains all on the horizon. So I'm so excited to see our brand come to life more and for us to keep raising the bar and making a difference for customers.